Question is, how many years Hazrat Khadija radiallahu anha spent with Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him? Answer is, she spent 25 years. Question is, name the caliph who was very strict in religious matters. Answer is Hazrat Umar Farooq radiallahu anhu. Question is, which surah are called the doors of Holy Quran? Answer is surahs which start with Hamim. Question is, which angel brought Allah's message to the prophets? Answer is Angel Jibreel alayhi salam. Question is, first thing that Prophet Adam ate in paradise was? Answer is Hazrat Adam alayhi salam ate grapes very first. Question is, what was the relationship between Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail alayhi salam? Answer is Hazrat Ibrahim, peace be upon him, was father. Question is, which son of Prophet Adam alayhi salam assassinate his brother? Answer is Kabil assassinate his brother Habil. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel to support us and like the video, comment under the video and share with friends. Thank you once again for watching this video.